Wow, this airport is huge. Look at all those screens and people rushing everywhere.
I know, it feels like a small city. Do you have your passport handy?
Right here in my front pocket. Tickets too, printed and on my phone just in case.
Same here. Double backup. I'm not losing anything today.
Famous last words. How heavy is your suitcase?
Heavy, heavy. Like, don't ask me to carry it upstairs, heavy.
You packed half your wardrobe again, didn't you?
Only the essential half of my wardrobe.
Essential like 3 pairs of boots.
4. And I regret nothing.
You will when the scale starts judging you.
Let's find a self-check-in kiosk before the line gets longer.
There by the big departures sign. Come on.
Okay, screen says touch to begin. Touching.
Choose language. English, obviously.
It wants 1 passport at a time. You go first.
Kenning. Look, it found my booking.
Nice. Seat 18B. Do you want to change it?
I'm fine with aisle. I like easy escape to the bathroom.
I'll stick with 18A beside you.
Great. Now baggage. It says, place bag on the scale. Boy.
Breathe. Maybe the scale had a good day.
Setting it down. Okay, green check. Under the limit.
Your suitcase is a miracle. My turn.
Gently, Hercules.
And on the scale.
Red bar.
How red?
Very. Like I told you so, red.
It says 5 kilos over.
We can try plan A. Move some stuff to your backpack.
Or plan B. I wear 7 layers and sweat through security.
Plan A, please. Open it. What's heaviest?
Boots, books, and is that a candle?
You brought a candle.
It smells like cedar and adventure.
Smells like extra fees. Give me the book and 1 pair of boots. I'll put them in my tote.
Okay, moving. Still over by 2 kilos.
Your sweater stack is suspicious.
Fine. I'll sacrifice the heaviest one.
Try the scale again.
Moment of truth. Green.
Victory. Print the tags before the scale changes its mind.
Printing and boarding passes too.
Stick the tags, drop the bag on the belt, and let's roll.
There it goes, sliding into the unknown.
Farewell, overpacked friend. May we meet again in London.
If it explodes, it's the boots, just so you know.
Don't say explode in an airport, genius.
Right. I meant emotionally explodes. With joy.
Security next. Phones, laptop, liquids in little bottles.
I have tiny shampoo, tiny toothpaste, and a gigantic sense of responsibility.
Put that in a clear bag too.
My responsibility?
The liquids, Mark. The liquids.
Copy that. Clear bag acquired.
Belts off, coins out, jacket in the tray.
I always feel like I'm undressing for a very judgmental robot.
The robot just wants you metal-free.
Headphones into the tray, laptop separate, shoes. Oh no, do I have to?
The sign says so. Think of it as airport yoga.
Downward-facing socks. Lovely.
Okay, your turn through the scanner.
Stepping in, arms up, and silence. I passed.
My turn.
I'll watch your stuff like a hawk.
Passed. Let's reassemble our human forms.
Shoes restored. Dignity partially restored.
Laptop, phone, passport, check, check, check.
You know what I love? That moment right after security when you feel free again.
Free to buy snacks at triple the price, you mean?
Exactly. Duty free is calling.
Perfume cloud incoming.
One whiff, and I'm in a luxury commercial.
Don't buy another bottle, Mark. You have 3 at home.
But this one smells like new beginnings at gate B12.
It smells like overweight baggage round 2. Keep moving.
Chocolate section.
Now we're talking. I'm grabbing dark chocolate with sea salt.
I'll get the sampler box. That way I can regret more flavors at once.
Water too. And gum for takeoff.
Add a tiny bag of almonds so we can pretend to be healthy.
Ill. Pay and escape before you start adopting perfumes.
Back in the main hall. Look at that giant departure board.
Flight on time. Gate B12.
We've got time. Want to sit by the windows and people watch?
Love that. Let's take those seats.
Ah, this chair could be a bed if I believe hard enough.
Don't nap now. If you sleep, I'll have to carry you to the gate.
Not possible. I'm a solid 70 kilos of dead weight and charm.
The charm is light. The weight is not.
Ouch. I'll stay awake.
So, schedule check. We land, get to the hotel, drop bags, and go straight for dinner?
Yes. I vote fish and chips.
You always vote fish and chips.
Democracy at its finest.
I want to walk along the Thames before it gets too late.
Big Ben selfies.
Big Ben without the duck face, please.
I make no promises.
What are you most excited about?
Camden Market. Street food, music, secondhand jackets calling my name.
You brought 4 jackets.
5. But maybe I'll find a 6th jacket with I belong with you mark energy.
Your closet is a museum of jackets.
And this trip is a research expedition.
I'm excited for the museums. British Museum, the Tate, the V and a...
I'll pretend to be a cultured art expert and whisper fascinating at random paintings.
Please don't whisper at strangers.
Fine. I'll whisper fascinating to you only.
Proved.
How's your nervous level?
Honestly, a little anxious until we're seated on the plane.
Same. After takeoff, I relax. Before that, my brain is like, did you forget something?
Passport check. Phone check. Charger.
Check. Wallet check.
Headphones.
In my hoodie pocket.
Snacks.
The chocolate is safe. Physically safe. Spiritually in danger.
We'll eat it slowly.
Define slowly.
More than 5 minutes.
That's long. But I can try.
Let's practice some travel phrases for fun.
You mean like warming up our English?
Exactly. Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Go straight ahead and turn right.
What time does boarding begin?
Boarding begins at 6:30.
Is there a water fountain nearby?
Yes, just past the security checkpoint.
Not bad, teacher Mark.
I charge in chocolate.
Sold. 1 square per phrase.
I'll be fluent in 60 seconds.
Look at that family over there. Matching hoodies and tiny backpacks.
Airport uniforms. Efficient and adorable.
I love seeing everyone's travel style. Some people dress like they're going to a fashion show.
And others, like me, dress like a hibernating bear.
Your scarf is basically a blanket.
That's the point. Airplanes are cold.
True. I brought my hoodie for that.
Will be 2 cozy burritos at 35,000 feet.
I wonder if the in-flight entertainment has friends.
If it does, we're watching at least 2 episodes.
How you doing?
We were on a break.
Classic.
Or we could start Harry Potter now on my tablet.
Save it for the plane. It will match the mood when we fly over London lights.
Good call. And we can pretend Hogwarts is real for 8 hours.
It is real. In our hearts.
And in the gift shop.
Do you think we'll be seated together?
I selected our seats side by side on the kiosk. 18A and 18B.
Perfect. I'll take aisle.
Window for me. I like tiny city lights and pretending I'm in a spaceship.
I like standing up without climbing over you.
Teamwork.
Always.
Okay, hydration check. Drink water before the flight.
Mom mode activated.
Look at us, responsible travelers.
Responsible-ish.
Fine. Responsible with chocolate.
Best kind of responsible.
You know what I love about airports? The feeling of possibility.
Like every gate is a different story.
Exactly. And ours is Chapter 1 of London.
Title: 2 suitcases and too many jackets.
Subtitle: The boots survived the scale.
Plot twist: they didn't.
Don't manifest drama. The boots will arrive smiling.
Do boots smile?
If you polish them.
Do you get nervous during takeoff?
A little. I hold the armrest and pretend I'm brave.
You can hold my hand.
I was going to suggest that and pretend it was for you.
Smooth.
I try.
Want to split a sandwich now or save it for the plane?
Let's split. I'll take the half with more cheese.
That's not how splitting works.
It is in democracy.
Then we vote. Say equal cheese.
I've been defeated by justice.
Here perfect halves.
Okay, that's good.
With a crunch. Fresh enough.
This is the exact sound of pre-boarding happiness.
I can't wait to walk along the South Bank at night.
Street performers, lights on the river, the skyline.
And hot chocolate in paper cups.
We'll clink cups like fancy travelers.
And wear your 6th jacket.
Don't tease destiny. The 6th jacket will find me.
I fear that it will.
What's your must-see museum piece?
The Rosetta Stone.
Of course. Language nerd royalty.
And you?
The gift shop.
That's not a piece.
It's a masterpiece of souvenirs.
Fine. Then you're getting a magnet with Big Ben.
And you're getting a tiny double-decker bus.
Ill.
Remind me to download maps for offline use.
Already did. I made a folder with starred places.
You're the CEO of this trip.
I accept the position with benefits of chocolate and 0 drama.
I can deliver chocolate. Drama. I'll negotiate with destiny.
No bargaining. We're drama-free.
Copy that, Captain.
Time check.
We've got about 40 minutes until boarding.
Enough for a bathroom run and a short stretch.
Let's rotate. You go first, I'll guard the fort.
Fort chocolate.
Fort chocolate. No intruders allowed.
Back in a minute. Don't marry any perfumes while I'm gone.
I'll resist temptation like a hero in a fragrance commercial.
And that's the end of today's journey. Now it's your turn. Listen again, repeat the expressions, and imagine yourself at the airport or on a plane. Because remember, every story is an English lesson. See you next time.